Hey, welcome back everyone. So besides putting the shop back the way it was, I think there's a lot of little things that are missed through the little nuances. Like for instance, this tool, I bought it several months ago to fit on a router. However, I'm missing hardware on the box. It's a little frustrating, but with the help of something like this, I could understand and know the size of the screws I need or nuts I need, right? And so I'm gonna try to see if I can fit these today. They look like M6 screws, so luckily I have some M6 screws that also align with these little star items. And so what I'm going to do is, I know that these need to go in here like that and kind of sit flush, right? And I need them to be flush with the bottom, so I'm just gonna go ahead and sand them down until they're flush. And then I could attach this to the body and it would be able to slide and move and lock wherever I need it. And this particular thing is actually for a router. And we'll take a look, I'll show you guys what this thing does. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out our sander here. Hopefully it doesn't get too hot. Poop. Magic. Gotta love some movie magic. Makes everything so quick. But I dropped these bolts into some ice water here. Just cool them down. I actually don't know if it makes it weaker, but I mean, for the application which we're using it. All right, after a few more passes, this looks very flush. And so it looks pretty good to me. We're gonna go ahead and snap this back onto that main body piece and see if it works. Hey, so the real hero of this fix is actually this little placard here, the sizing placard. I think it's pretty awesome. One of my friends had it in his garage, and it was the most useful thing that I've ever seen. And also, I see these at Home Depot all the time, so pretty useful. But so not only did this help me find the correct bolt and nut size, but also helps me figure out, what size I need drill bit to, I don't know, make a hole to hang something for a tool, right? So if I'm using a dowel, I can see here that it's size 8, and it fits in that 8. And it fits really snugly also. So I can grab a drill bit that looks similar size and I can see whether it's there. And yeah, so it also fits very snugly. And I know I'm not gonna drill a perfect hole. So if I drill it out with this 5/16 drill bit, I know that I can hammer in, or I can push flush this in this dowel. So, this thing's freaking awesome. Super helpful. So as you can see here, I took this drill bit, put a little angled hole in here for this dowel, cut off one of the ends, stuck it in there, and now I have a perfectly nice little hanger for the tool we just fixed.